guys, Rich Podric here, and today I wanted to talk with you about short links. Yeah, there are a lot of short link sites that are providing you with some stuff and paying you like $2 per 1,000 views, like AdFly or Linkverse on Clickverse. But today I wanted to show you the site in case you pay. Just listen, around 9 euro, which is like $10 per 1,000 views. So it's extremely high revenue. And the site called Linkverse. And right now I wanted to show you how it works and what can its site offer to you. So let's jump into it. So as you can see here, we are on this site. So this is dashboard, your balance, links, clicks, this is your statistic. As you can see, I started a few days ago. This where your link located. So as you can see, I already earned some cash from my videos. Yep. So how it works. We need to go, so now let's click here. Now we need to put here our links, continue. Here we need to write some sentences what your visitors will see before go to main link. Now here we need to number our links, like it could be whatever number. I will put number 1. Okay, let's put number 10. It'd be more clear. Continue. Now suggest this link to other links to get more clicks. I usually don't use this function, but if you want, you also can. Next, and the last one, what our visitors will need to see before go to the main link. Like some users need to install a browse extensions. I think it will be decrease. No one wants to install something, so we'll turn off this. And as you can see, your revenue will as well go down. So what else? Some users need to article browse notifications. Okay, it could be. Next, some users need to wait 15 seconds. It's okay. Some users need to see a window with the article. Okay, window with the article. It's also okay. It's not very big deal. And the last one, some users need to watch video. I don't think that a lot of people want to watch some video and wait a lot of time, so I will turn off this as well. And create link. Link successfully created. Done. So, and now you will see your link here. It actives your incomes, clicks, impressions, and you also can edit these links and see statistics. Here we will see statistics for each day. What countries will we have? Okay, I can show you my statistics for videos like this. Okay, it was like RPM is per 1,000 clicks, so you can easily make 20 euro per 1,000 clicks. Or actually it depends on from what country people are watching you. As you can see, it's not, but the higher is 20. Okay, so as you can see, US, Russia, India, and this is what countries you will see. And here you can see the desktop or mobile device. So that was a statistics. Now payouts, the main reasons. The minimum payouts is 10 euro, and it's really low because and it can because it's easy to earn for a week or something like that. 100% passively. or actually it depends on what audience you have. Okay, and we can have here PayPal, PaySafeCard, Payoneer, and bank transfer. Bank transfer isn't work for all countries, so you need to check if your country is in. Okay, and that's all. As you can see, it's easy to earn a lot of money, depend of what traffic you have. And Rich Podric was here, and as always, earn and spend money online.